One green juice a day, why it's a game changer for your health. Hey everyone, welcome back to Life Beyond Sugar Spikes. Today we're talking about something that can truly transform your health in ways you might not even imagine: green juice. Now I know what some of you might be thinking. Green juice? Isn't that just another health fad? But let me tell you, it's far from a trend. This is a science-backed, nutrient-packed powerhouse that can work wonders for your body when you make it a daily habit. Whether you're looking for a natural energy boost, better digestion, clearer skin, or even support in managing your blood sugar levels, green juice can be the one simple change that takes your health to the next level. And the best part? It's quick, easy, and absolutely delicious when done right. In today's video, I'll break down why green juice is such a game changer, walk you through my favorite recipe, and share practical tips to make it work for your lifestyle. Stick around because, trust me, this is one small habit with huge results. Let's talk about why green juice is so amazing. When you juice leafy greens and other vegetables, you're essentially extracting their nutrients in a highly absorbable form. This means your body gets a concentrated dose of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants without the extra effort of breaking down all the fiber. Now don't get me wrong, fiber is important and we need it in our diet. But drinking green juice is like giving your digestive system a little break while still delivering all the goodness directly into your bloodstream. Here's what green juice can do for you. 1. Boost your energy naturally. The combination of chlorophyll and micronutrients in greens provides a clean energy lift without caffeine or sugar crashes. 2. Support your digestion and gut health. Ingredients like spinach and cucumber are hydrating and alkalizing, which helps your digestive system function smoothly. 3. Clear up your skin. Green juice helps flush out toxins, giving you that natural glow. 4. Regulate blood sugar levels. When you keep the recipe low in fruit and high in veggies, it's perfect for anyone managing diabetes or trying to stabilize their blood sugar. 5. Strengthen your immune system. Nutrient-rich ingredients like parsley and lemon are loaded with vitamin C and other immune-boosting compounds. So think of green juice as your daily dose of vitality. It's not a magic pill, but it's pretty close when it comes to supporting your overall health. Now that we know why green juice is so incredible, let's get into the how. I'm going to show you a simple recipe that you can whip up in just minutes. This is my go-to green juice. Balanced, refreshing, and packed with benefits. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of spinach, a nutrient-dense leafy green packed with iron, magnesium, and vitamins. 1 cucumber, hydrating and great for your skin. 1 green apple, adds a touch of sweetness while keeping the sugar content low. 1/2 lemon, peeled, loaded with vitamin C and helps detoxify the body. A small piece of ginger, anti-inflammatory and supports digestion. A handful of parsley, a superfood herb rich in antioxidants and vitamin K. 1 cup of water or coconut water, helps blend everything smoothly. You chop and add ingredients to a blender or juicer. Simply chop up your ingredients, toss them in a blender or juicer, and blend until smooth. If you prefer a thinner juice, you can strain it, but I personally like to keep some of the fiber in there. And there you have it, a glass of liquid health ready to fuel your day. Now before you get started, here are some pro tips to make the most out of your green juice habit. 1. Go organic when possible. This reduces pesticide exposure and keeps your juice as clean as possible. 2. Drink it fresh. Green juice is most potent within 15 minutes of making it, so don't let it sit for too long. 3. Keep the balance right. Avoid overloading on fruits to prevent sugar spikes. Stick to 80% veggies and 20% fruit for the best results. 4. Rotate your greens. Different greens offer different nutrients. Kale, Swiss chard, and celery are excellent options to switch things up. 5. Make it a ritual. Consistency is key. Try drinking your green juice at the same time every day, whether it's first thing in the morning or as a mid-afternoon pick-me-up. With these tips, you'll be sipping your way to better health in no time. So, are you ready to embrace the green juice lifestyle? Trust me, 1 glass a day can make a world of difference. If you try this recipe, let me know how you like it in the comments below. And if you've got your own twist on green juice, share it. I'm always looking for new ideas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Here's to living a healthier, happier life, one sip at a time.